Just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys in Sarasota County how to quickly send an email out to all of your students all at one time. And so we're going to go to Gradebook and click on Reports. And under Reports, we're going to click on Class Rosters. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to select all of my students. And then down here at the bottom, I'm going to click XLS. That's going to be a Excel document, and click Preview. It's going to download, and I'm going to open this, and that's going to give us the list of students. Oops, wrong one. There we go. List of students, and you can see I've got in numbers here. So I'm going to copy these, and I'm going to go to the Everything in Number Enrollment tool. Now I'll put a link to this in this video so that you guys, if you don't already have it, I'm going to paste those in here, and we see copy this cell for group email and Outlook. So I'm just going to click this, and I'm going to click Control C, and now I'm going to go to Outlook. I'm going to go New. I'm going to go to blind carbon copy. I'm going to Control V and hit OK. And you can see that it's added all of my students, and I'm going to hit check. You're going to see that down here after this last one right here, I've got an @ just a bunch of extra ats. I'm just going to delete those because I didn't know how many each of you guys would have. And then I'm going to hit check names, and you're going to see it's going to add all of my students. And so now I can send an email to all of those students, or I can go to my emails, go to people, and I can go to new contact group. And in there, I can go members. I'm going to add members. And I'm just going to Control V that in there again. And again, I'm going to delete these extra ones that don't have actual student names next to them. It's going to take me a second because there's a bunch of them. Click OK. There, it puts them all in there. For name, I'm going to call this Period 7 Astronomy, and hit Save and Close. I now have a Period 7 Astronomy contacts in there, and I can send an email to those students. If I go back to my Everything Enrollment tool, I delete just this row here. You can see those go back to values. I go back to my roster. I go to sheet number 2. I select the next group of students, copy, go back to my in numbers, select here, paste. Now I can do this again, Control C, start a new email. And again, in the blind carbon copy, I'm going to hit there and hit OK. And then I'm just going to find the very last one that doesn't have a in number to it. It looks like it's right here. I'll select these, delete, check names. There's all my students. And so there's my students for that class as well. And that's my next period. And now I can just send an email to all of them and update them with what's going on with class. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know.